around. Okay, here pump JSR. Then go to the pump, and here you can add your add-on instruction, which is motor, and here you can add your tag, which is pump 10110. Okay, and then remote, in the remote local you can assign 1 for the remote. Otherwise we can add this tag in SCADA, and we can write from the SCADA also. Okay, by default is kept as a 1. Then copy and paste, create 10 pumps. Create 10 analog pumps. Replace all the decks. Okay, we have a database of 10 tags. We have 10 control models of the pump, but here you don't have it run feedback, trip feedback, that is assigned with 0. And if you want to map the tag to any one tag, then we can add one rung, and here we can sorry, control Z, here we will just assign, create one rung, and here we can assign that run feedback, trip feedback, and interlocks. Just take any one of the tag, or just create one tag for the trip, and here we can assign the run feedback. Just browse this tag here, and here you can dot, sorry, control Z, dot run feedback, okay, run feedback. For the simulation we can add one timer here in the controller. In the local parameter, I will just add run feedback FBK timer to simulate the tag with the run feedback. Okay, and here I will just create that timer array with the 10 tags. Okay, and then here we can use the timer T1, and we can assign here run feedback, run ABK timer. The timer number is 0 in square bracket. Now we have taken the timer, and we can set that preset value of that timer. Just go to the tags. Here we can set the preset values of the timer within some specific time, like suppose in 5 second or 10 second. Actually we have set 30 minute for the failure timer, then we can set here 20 to 20 second or 10 second, whatever we required for the simulation. I will just close. Okay, the values, timer values, we can add preset value, but I'm getting some delay to write. I will just add 10 seconds. Otherwise, second thing also we can create, if you want to create the simulation add-on instruction, then also we can create the simulation add-on instruction, and from that instruction we can just assign the input run feedback, out command, and we can take run feedback command. That also possible by using add-on instruction. Okay, again go to the control module. Here time is assigned now. This timer, it starts when the run feedback. Here out command is there. Out command for pump out command, pump out command, and here you can add the timer done bit, run feedback timer done bit dot dn. Okay. Now simulation for motor 1 is done. If you want to use that simulation for the multiple, then you can use add-on instruction or indexing also, but here we can not going to use that add-on instruction. We can directly use our individual timers. Okay, I will just add it 10. Okay. Now by using find and replace, how you can find and replace the tags, that we will see here. Just control F, press the control F, you get the find and replace window. Here is the find what you want to find. If you click on the replace, then it will give the two options, find and replace. Here I want to find out uh, in square bracket 0, in square bracket 0, and replace that with the square bracket 1, square bracket 1. And I will just click on where I want to replace, just here, and just click on the find next, and here when it was on the tag, then we will replace it like this, like this. Yes. Now I want to replace with the 2. Then find, sorry, again need to go back here, here find and replace, 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 and replace. Then click here. Here I want to replace that 0 with the 3, and then I will just click on the find, not here, here, find, replace, replace, replace. Here by mistake we replace by 2. I will just change that tag with 3, and again I will click here on the 4 rung, and here I will just replace that tag with the 4. Replace first, find, and then start the replacing. For this one also similar with the 5, and I will just erase this one square bracket which is easier to replace. Then find and replace. Click it here and replace with the 6. Here with the 7. If you by mistake replace, then you can use Ctrl Z and get back for the 1 tag or 2 tag, whatever you want. Then replace it, replace, replace. Here is the 9. Okay, now tag replacing is done, my simulation is also done. Then we can use that simulation for the your feedback. And one thing, there is a trip feedback. Trip feedback is also there. If you want, then you can use, otherwise here we can skip that trip feedback taking from the simulation. Okay, uh, if you're done, then you can download, save and download. Okay, downloading is done. Directly you here you are able to see the healthy status is there directly by uh, you enter one. Then you can open logic for this and try to simulate it. Then go to the open instruction logic, and here we can try to give the start command. Now here I will just put that mode into the auto mode, and just click on the auto permissive and toggle this auto permissive. This auto permissive most of the time we use for the sequencing or right from the external logic. Now my auto command is done, and out command is there, and run feedback is also there by simulation. If you go back to the your logic, and if you see the control module of pump, here one timer is done by because of this run feedback timer, and your program is running around. You see the running timer is there. Here I expect one should be come here but not there. What? Why? we, we need to see why one is not there. Still not there. Okay, let's we can remove this once command, and we can try it again. Go to the offline. go to the motor logic, and here we can delete this one's command, and then we can see timer done. When the timer done bit is come, then it will show, it should count 1. I think I done some mistake here. Cancel. Here I done some mistake. I want to take this ONS command here. Check check once. I just made some mistake in the program. Here the once ONS instruction is required here. Then you can assign. Hello, I'm audible. I'm audible. Here यहाँ पे एक गलती हुआ है. आप प्रोग्राम में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे आपको ONS एज अ OTC देखेगा, तो OTC नहीं होना चाहिए, ONS इंस्ट्रक्शन होना चाहिए. जस्ट change it with ONS. Then same we can replace for all. Just tag it. जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको ONS दिखेगा ना, वहाँ पे आपको चेंज करना है. It should be ONS. टैग आप सेम यूज़ कर सकते हो, और पुराना जो OTC है वो डिलीट करो. सॉरी, रिप्लेस दिस टैग. सब ONS से रिप्लेस करना है, ONS इंस्ट्रक्शन, और जो पुराना है वो डिलीट कर देना है. नाउ इट विल वर्क. Okay, then go to the control module, open instruction logic and try it. First run your controller. Yes. Now we can try to simulate. Now pump is auto command is run. Yes, run feedback is there. Now your timer is started. Then we can wait for 1 minute and we will see the time is counted here or not. And the same time we want to see in the calculation minutes and hours. I will just toggle once and see the calculation is there or not. Yes, here we see the count is 1, and again we see in the calculation it should be 1 minute. Yep, here also it's 1 minute. Okay, good. Now timer is working. If you see faster, then you can put your values here and directly you can see the timer done and the calculation. It's done 2, and again timer is 3 means 2 minute. Yep, done. Okay, I think here it the minute it will show like in 0 to 100%, because the calculation doesn't don't know the it's minute or second, and it just counting as a minute in the decimal values from 0 to 100, and after the 60 it will done as a 1 and it will shifted to the 1 hours. Okay, if you want to see the 1 hour, then we can here hit the counter timer and we can see the 1 hour is done. Actually we can hit it here 60, and then we can see, yes, here you see the running hours is 1, and here also it should show 1 hour and some minutes. Yes, running hours is 1 hour. 1 hour. Yep. Okay, and here is the running total running hour is different and running hours is different, because here we write into the counter. Okay, यहाँ तक क्लियर, यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर है? ओके, अभी फेस प्लेट बनाएंगे। Go to the global object. In the global object, our G object, यहाँ पे हम उसका फेस प्लेट क्रिएट करेंगे। हमारे पास अभी दो फेस प्लेट ऑलरेडी है, विच इज़ पंप फेस प्लेट एंड वॉल फेस प्लेट। लेकिन हमें अभी का जो पंप है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, तो यहाँ पे पंप मोटर का एक अलग सा फेस प्लेट हम क्रिएट करेंगे। अगर चाहते हो तो इसको ही हम मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, या दूसरा क्रिएट करना है तो दूसरा भी कर सकते हैं। लेट्स कैन, हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ओके ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बनाएंगे। ठीक है, हम नया ही बनाएंगे।